This video is designed to give you an insight into our members portal and in particular running you through the course and what it entails. So if you start off on the home page, you'll see the tab on the top right hand section. This is the members zone. If you click on this, you'll actually be given your unique login details which you'll use to access the content on this page. Now on the top right hand side of the page, you'll see a short video. This will act as a guide for you to use this portal to the best of its capabilities.
On the left hand side, you have the course chapters to work through. So there are 11 chapters with over 30 videos and 25 hours worth of content. This is designed for the absolute beginner, covering the foundations of the FX market, risk management, all the way to technical analysis and actually how to read the charts yourself, placing your own trades and working towards becoming a profitable and professional trader using the secrets of TTF.
Now we're going to give you a sneak preview of what the chapters entail and the content inside one of these chapters. So if we click on chapter 3, for example, which is the risk, money management and more section, you'll see there are actually 7 videos within this chapter. There's over 2 hours covering on how to manage your risk, mistakes to avoid and so much more. So it's obviously very important that before you start doing your chart work and analysis that you learn how to manage your emotions as well as managing your risk.
Now let's also have a look in the technical analysis section as well. There are multiple videos in here covering everything from the ground up in terms of Japanese candlesticks, price structure, moving averages, support and resistance, but most importantly, actually how to apply these tools to become a profitable trader. Now, if we head back to the members zone, we also have documents here such as journaling spreadsheets and additional content on the right hand side that we personally use ourselves, and that will help you along the way.
Now if we scroll to the bottom of this portal, you'll see chapters 10 and 11. Chapter 10 is just an extras section. This is where we regularly will be uploading videos at no further cost to our members. Now chapter 11 itself is only available for gold members. This is a bonus cryptocurrency course where we cover everything you need to know about this market, beginning with what cryptocurrency is, where to buy it, how to hold them safely off the exchanges, and our favorite coins along with their respective analysis, showing you the huge potential gains within this market. Now this chapter in itself is invaluable as there is potential for thousands of percentage of gains based on the research we have done for you over a number of years, condensed into a few hours to save you time, effort, money and research. In addition to all of this, the silver and gold members will also have access to private tuition hours, and that's free of charge. Now once you have worked through the course, we as mentors can go through anything that you're struggling on and we can rectify this with you on a one-to-one basis. Now in addition to this, you'll also have the lifetime access to VIP Telegram. This is where we post regular updates on open trades and our analysis, as well as a chat feature where our members can communicate with us directly and share their own trade ideas and questions that they may have. And all of this is designed to accelerate your learning progress.
So hopefully that gives you a good insight into the course that we provide for our members. If you want any more information, please feel free to pop us a DM, send us a message, and it will be good to have you as a member of our team.